If you're watching a video or browsing online and all of a sudden your Wi-Fi disconnects and then maybe a little bit later it reconnects, I'm going to show you how to get that fixed when it's constantly disconnecting and reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network, no matter whether you're on an iPhone or an Android. So let's jump right in. Let's open up the Settings app on your phone. And from here, let's check first your cellular. So tap on cellular. This might be counterintuitive, but within your cellular settings, there is an option that switches automatically from Wi-Fi over to cell data when the Wi-Fi is bad. So I would recommend turning off Wi-Fi assist. That's the first thing, but let's check a couple things in the Wi-Fi settings. So tap back and tap on Wi-Fi. And next to your Wi-Fi network that you're connected to, tap on the little I next to it. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure low data mode is turned off, and then scroll towards the bottom. You can see it says IPv4, configure IP address, and then if I scroll down, configure DNS, configure proxy. All of these should be set to automatic. So if you tap on any of these and they're set to manual or boot P or client ID, make sure to switch them to automatic so that you're allowing your Wi-Fi provider to automatically detect what the DNS should be and IP address, etc. The next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow and just toggle your Wi-Fi off for a bit and disconnect for a little bit, and then toggle it back on. After you've done that, and if it's still not working, we're going to tap the back arrow, scroll down and tap on General, and then scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, we can reset your network settings, which almost always fixes it. So tap on Reset, and then choose Reset Your Network Settings. Just enter in the passcode for your iPhone, and it will reset those network settings. However, keep in mind, it will disconnect and forget your old Wi-Fi networks, so you'll need to manually reconnect to them again. Now, after you've gone through all of these steps, if it's still not working, just restart your phone by pressing the volume up and side button, and then just slide to power off and restart that phone. However, if you go through all of these steps and it's still disconnecting, it's not an issue with your phone. It's an issue with the actual router or modem. So the easiest way to get those fixed is just unplug them from the wall, wait 20 seconds or so, and then plug them back into the wall, and that should get everything rebooted and refreshed and fixed for you. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.